Want to create clean and modern opening videos like this? Before we start, I want to quickly share something.
Introducing your planned phone holder. Sleek design, effortless adjustability, experience unwavering stability. Your phone stays secure, no wobbles. Perfect for calls, recipes, or relaxing, hands-free convenience anywhere. Get your plan today.
If you're interested, you can check the yellow card for more information. All right, let's jump into the tutorial. First, import 5 photos or videos, white background and music into your timeline. Make sure to set the aspect ratio and remove original audio if needed. Next, change the scale of all clips to 50%. Arrange them according to the layout example. On the top clip, add circle mask and adjust the size. Go back to the first clip, add split mask, move mask center to middle, then move forward 2 seconds. Add keyframe, set rotate to 90 degrees and click reverse. Return to the beginning, add keyframe, and set rotation to 0 degrees. Move to the second clip. Add keyframe above the last keyframe of first clip. Set rotate to -90 degrees, then move forward 2 seconds. Add keyframe and set rotate to 0 degrees. Repeat the same steps for remaining clips. Press play to preview the result. Great! You successfully created a clean, professional opening video. In the next video, we'll learn more advanced editing techniques. Make sure to like, comment, follow, or subscribe so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.